Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Forza Horizon 5 on PC with Xbox players. Forza Horizon 5 offers fantastic crossplay capabilities, meaning you can easily connect with your friends whether they are on an Xbox console or a personal computer. This guide will walk you through the simple steps to ensure you are all racing together in no time. It is designed to be straightforward, so everyone can enjoy the shared open-world experience. To get started, first make sure everyone has Forza Horizon 5 installed and fully updated. This is crucial for smooth crossplay. Next, confirm that all players are logged into their Microsoft accounts. These accounts link your game progress and enable the cross-platform features. Also, take a moment to check your privacy settings. They should permit multiplayer games and communication to avoid any connection issues. Once everyone is ready, forming a convoy is simple. Open the game's pause menu, then go to the Online tab and choose Convoy. From there, you can invite friends directly from your Xbox friends list. The game automatically handles the cross-platform connection, so you do not need to worry about their specific device. Alternatively, if a friend has already created a convoy, simply accept their invitation to join their session. With your convoy formed, you are all set to enjoy the vast world of Forza Horizon 5 together. For the best experience, try to maintain a stable internet connection. Consider using the in-game voice chat or an external communication app like Discord to coordinate your races and explorations. Remember, the goal is to have fun, so explore the map, compete in events, and enjoy the shared adventure across platforms.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.